Hi readers, today we're learning a new spelling pattern and it is the OO spelling pattern. This spelling pattern represents two different sounds. The first sound is as in book or as in hook. The second sound that the OO spelling pattern represents is oo as in school and oo as in tool. These are your spelling words this week, down here at the bottom. They are either one-syllable or two-syllable words. Let me go ahead and read them for you now. Bookshelf, footprint, hook, shook, wooden, bloom, cartoon, foolish, proof, and smooth. These are your high-frequency words for this week. Loose, today, and tomorrow. You will find more information on this spelling pattern in your Schoology folder. Good luck, readers!